Hello SakaFet, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Caribbean favorite, cassava pone. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get baking. This is everything you're going to need to make your cassava pone. You will need 4 packs of grated cassava, or you can use the whole cassava and grate it yourself. Also, you will need 1 pack of shredded coconut, or you can use the shredded coconut in a syrup. It's called macapuno strings. It's from the Philippines, but we like to keep it Caribbean style, so we just use the shredded coconut. Also, you will need 1 cup of sugar, 1 tin of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of brown ginger, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. For the topping, you will need an additional 1/4 cup of condensed milk and egg white. So you can use 1 egg white or 2 if you like, but I'm just going to use 1 egg white. We are going to start by putting our cassava into a bowl. Now we're going to add your young coconut strings to that. Then we're going to add our sugar. Now we're going to add ginger. Okay, so you want to make sure you get it all blended. You're going to, next step, add your cinnamon and your nutmeg. And this gives it a really nice kick. Cassava is one of those foods that's eaten in a lot of places around the world. People in West Africa, in the Caribbean, South America, in the Philippines use a lot of cassava, but some people enjoy beautiful desserts. You can make cassava bread. I know Dominica, we are famous for that. You know, we make a lot of this cassava bread. Also the farine. Farine is very good. We use the cassava and it's grated, and then it's kind of dried over an open fire, and it's so delicious. Okay, now we just add our vanilla extract. And guys, I forgot one of the most important ingredients. It's our coconut milk. So we need 1 cup of coconut milk. So I can put it in right now. So this is half a cup, so I'm going to use 2 of this. And that's so important. And I don't know why I forgot it. But I'm glad it didn't go in the oven before I remember. So we're going to pour that in and just mix it all in there. So we're just going to grease our pan now, and then we will put it in the oven. So now we're going to put it in our baking pan. You could always add raisins to it, but I like it because I just like the coconut string. We're gonna put it in a preheated oven. So it's been heated 350. We're gonna leave it for at least an hour, and then we're gonna check it, and we're just gonna keep an eye on it. I'm now gonna mix the topping that goes on top of our pone once it's about 10 minutes before it's ready. Okay, our pone is just almost ready, so we are going to put our egg and egg white and condensed milk mixture. We are going to brush it on the top. This just gives it a sweet, chewy topping. Okay, I think our pone is just about, it's cooked now, so let's see. Take it out. Oh yes. Oh, that's delicious. Look at that. Golden brown on top. Well done. That's our cassava pone. We're just gonna let it cool down, and then you can see what it looks like after. After you take it out of the oven, you should let it sit for about an hour before you cut it. And here you have it, our delicious cassava pone. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again next time.